Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I am grade 3 science teacher, and today in today's class I have done the recap of chapter number 2, and the heading was what are fruits and seeds. We have already read this before the Eid, and I'm just doing a recap of it. That what are fruits? Fruits are those that develop from flowers, and as the flowers have different colors, so the fruits also have different colors, sizes, shapes and taste. They have different smells and they taste different from each others. And then we studied about the some vegetables that are the parts of the plant, such as tomatoes are the fruits of the plant. In the same way, leaves are the leaves like cabbages are the leaves of the plant. Then we studied about the seeds. Seeds are the hard structure inside the fruit, and they are protected by the skin and flesh of the fruits. And the baby plant is protected by the seed. It means the seed has got the baby plant embryo. Then we studied about the process of a seed growing into a seedling and then into a young plant is called germination. We studied about the germination, and I explained you this diagram that when we sow the seed inside the soil, then it grows gradually, it grows and gradually it grows down the roots and up the stem, and then finally it grows into a young plant. This process is called of growing the seed into a seedling and then into a young plant is called germination. And we studied about the different type of seeds. Some are small and some are big, and big are like the seed of mango, and small most of the fruits have small seeds. Then I have given you in this reference, I have given you the work that you have to draw your favorite fruit, and this is a project that you have to draw your favorite fruit and write a few lines on it describing its color, its size, its shape, its taste, texture, uses, energy, and it's important. And the project is to be done on a computer paper with the drawing of that favorite fruit on which you are writing and its color. And you have to color the fruit, or you can either paste the picture of the fruit that you want to discuss about, and after doing it on the computer paper, then you will paste it in your copies. I have already shared this in WhatsApp group. The second work I have shared was about the true false. Question number 14, you have to do true false. Fruits develop from flowers. Yes, true. Seeds are the hard structure found inside the fruits. Yes, we just studied. A mango has no seed. Wrong, because a mango has one seed. Some vegetables are stems like tomatoes. Wrong, because tomato is not a stem. Then the baby plant is protected by the seed. Yes, because every baby plant is inside the seed. So the baby plant is protected by the seed is true. You have to do the project of drawing your favorite fruit and writing the few lines on it with a picture of that fruit and true false in your copies. Beside that, I have discussed in vocabulary zone the various definitions. This also you have to write it in your copies. Aquatic plants, the plants that live in water. Chlorophyll is the red pigment that is present in the leaves. Germination is the process of seed growing into a new big plant. Photosynthesis is the food making process in the plants, and stomata is the tiny pores that are present on the surface of the leaves. This also you have to do in your copies. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.